Social media lit up like a Christmas tree this morning as parents around BC pounced at the first chance to book COVID-19 shots for kids 5 to 11. Many chomping at the bit, but no invite to book, writing, "On Twitter, I didn't receive my text. A friend registered later, got booked first," hearing there won't be invites for weeks.
I fully expected to either wake up at 3 a.m. to a link or wake up this morning to a link. And it was frustrating hearing that people were being able to be booked for today, and not being able to get that booking for today was disappointing. But, tomorrow's okay.
The early morning frustration, though, giving way to smooth sailing as the day rolled on and invites rolled out at a rate of about 8,000 per hour.
The invitation came this morning, probably about 10 o'clock this morning, to book my son. I went online, was able to do it really quickly.
Clicked the link and booked an appointment tomorrow at 5 p.m. right in my neighborhood. It honestly could not have been easier.
Some had their shots before the afternoon was done. Of 350,000 kids eligible in this age group, about a third in BC are registered. Top Dr. Bonnie Henry was on hand for some of the first to be immunized in Victoria. The first at this clinic, clear about why it's important.
Because I want to be able to see my family who lives in Fort Nelson, because I haven't seen them in like 2 years.
Even at 5, kids get why this shot is a big deal. Julia had hers this afternoon in Vancouver.
Because it protects you from the COVID-19.
But she and her siblings also get why it's not a big deal.
It was great. Yeah. Great.
And even better,
ice cream after this.
So relieved, so grateful, so thankful, so happy.
this day a long time coming for their doctor mom, who's volunteered with the This Is Our Shot campaign.
I hope that moving forward, this is going to roll out a lot faster and a lot more smoothly than first day hiccups.
For all the parents frustrated with the hiccups, Dr. Henry asking for patience.
We've had a lot of challenges getting vaccine out to places. We've had it airlifted to Alberta and trucked in to make sure that we could get it to the right place. And we wanted to make sure the clinics were starting everywhere at the same time.
For those who are anxious for another reason, because they're debating should they or shouldn't they.
It is an important thing to protect children directly. We know that this vaccine has been specially formulated for young people's immune systems, which are a lot stronger than us older adults.
Also, she says, talk to kids about why it's important and what will make them most comfortable if they're scared.
If you want to bring a stuffy, you can bring a stuffy because it's really good for emotional support.
Fear and frustration for most easily put aside for this increased protection.
And this is our last link of the chain that's going to break away and have us be back together as a family. So for everything and all the frustration this morning, I'm just so grateful.
I just want it to happen now.
In Victoria, Liza Yuzda, City News.